How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another video where today we're in a random farmhouse. Like, we literally just kind of traipsed out into the middle of a field and found a farmhouse. We had a bit of a look around because we wanted to see if it was worth like filming and that, and there's a few bits in here I think you guys will want to see, so we're going to check those out. Not sure what's upstairs, we haven't been upstairs yet, but let's have a look around. Also, I'm here with Colin as well, so go check out his channel. You can see his version of this video as well. But yeah, let's go. So guys, like I said, there isn't too much in terms of stuff left, but there's a few little things like dead birds and things like that, but there's a lot of nice fireplaces, which we've noticed, like this one here. I'll show you guys. Look at that. Is that marble or something, or ceramic? Yeah, I think it's more ceramic than marble, but gorgeous. In fact, I'm going to go back into the room we were just in a minute ago when I did my intro, because in there is actually kind of a cool little detail. So this is where I did my intro, and up here there's an absolutely gorgeous light. A really old-fashioned looking light with like a crest or something in the middle. And also some kind of homemade necklace or something. Not sure what that is. That is amazing. So I'm going to carry on showing you downstairs first, and then we're going to go upstairs. There's actually several stairs upstairs. We've got these ones and there's another one kind of over that side of the building. But we're going to go look in the rest of the building first. And this, I think, by far is my favourite fireplace so far. Look at that. Again, this gorgeous, like almost marble or ceramic or something. I'm not actually sure which it is. Absolutely gorgeous. You've got the old wallpaper as well. Oh yeah. Obviously they painted over it at some point with a pink, but that's the original wallpaper. That would be really quite grand.
Oh God, there's more skeletons down here.
There's even more?
There's so many.
Obviously lots of birds find their way in but don't find their ways out. Is that a bird? Oh it is, because yes, it's got a beak. I was going to say, it almost looks like a rat, but it's got a beak. Yeah. So in here, there is another thing behind me I want to show you, but I'll show you again another fireplace, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's like cast iron fireplace. Look at the detailing on that. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, behind us there's something that's really cool. I've never seen one of these before. So it's a sink, but look at the water spout or tap, I'm not sure what you call it. Water hand pump. Obviously you would have had this come up and go down, and water will be pumped through it, but it doesn't work anymore unfortunately. But that's a really cool feature. I haven't seen one of those ever in the building, not ever. Very, very narrow around here.
This is open. Oh my God.
Oh, that's rotted to shit. Was it a bathroom or something at some point?
Probably not a good idea to walk over there.
Yeah, definitely not. There's no ceiling in that bit, and that floor does not look good either. Is there no roof either?
Tiles either.
Oh Jesus, yeah.
Stars. Look at the old water heater there.
Is that a wall? Oh, that's like, yeah, one of those like ones that as you turned it on, it heated.
That's right. Wow, that's really impressive. Okay.
Back downstairs then.
Back downstairs and then
Got the other one.
over to the other one. Okay, we've got 4 rooms up here.
Nice.
And we've got one fireplace, believe it or not.
I'm not surprised. This is one of those places. This is one of those places that would have had terrible heating, isn't it? And
Yeah, watch out for the rib cage.
oh god, God, they're everywhere. There's another one. Oh, there's more over there as well by the window.
Oh my God.
And over there. Jesus Christ.
I've never seen so many.
It's like Dead Pigeon Farm, isn't it?
It really is.
Anyway, that's the name of the video, Dead Pigeon Farm.
Dead Pigeon Farm?
Or Fireplace Farm.
Fireplace Farm.
So we've got another beautiful fireplace. I do love this style of fireplace. It's like really gorgeous, isn't it? The ceramic. Well, I'm going to go through here and check this out. Oh, there's an attic. There's a sack or something there.
Is there?
Yeah, just on the edge.
Oh yeah. Oh God, I wonder what's in there.
Open it up and see.
Oh my God,
There's a jacket.
Yeah, something with a button on it.
That's actually there's a toilet roll here as well.
God. That looks been here for years.
I'll be honest, that looks nicer than the toilet roll we get nowadays.
Yeah. What do you reckon the chances of there being water on? Nothing on that one.
I was going to say very, very nothing.
Nothing on that one.
So guys, this is the last room of the house. We've checked everything. There are some buildings outside we can go and check. But at the moment this is the main house done. But look, there's all these like cast iron fireplaces and, surprise surprise, another dead pigeon. And another dead pigeon. So guys, we're outside the main house now, in like a barn area. And this entire area is actually boxed in by a wall, which you guys probably cannot see at all. But there is a wall that goes all the way around over there. And there's a building over there, and a building over there, which we're going to go check in a second. What is this? What do you reckon that is?
Is it concrete?
I think this is, this bit here.
There's something underneath that. Jesus Christ, you can't lift it though.
Is it?
God, what the hell is that? That's like some kind of a well, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. There's a motor.
There's a lawnmower in it.
Oh, there's a lawnmower. How random is that?
It's very strange.
Let's not fall in a hole. Totally not noisy. Is that a new mattress or something? A mattress?
Polystyrene.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
a hell of a lot of polystyrene in here. Yeah.
What the hell?
No.
What is that? Is that a filing cabinet?
Yeah, that's it. Is that a surfboard?
Yeah, I think that is.
Let's go have a look. There's another door over there.
They made surfboards. That's what the polystyrene's for. Because that's a surfboard there, but it's not been
Yeah.
painted.
What?
Oh, that's so weird.
What?
Yeah, there you go, look. I reckon if you look through it, this will have some kind of like surfboardy paperwork on it. What is that? Natural Selection Country Jewellery Accessories. What the hell? That's amazing though, like how weird
So bizarre
to find
that in here.
a surfboard on what we thought was a farm. Olive Tree Trading Company.
Well, it's the floor. Look at the old
Enamels and copper, hand painted enamels and copper. Handcrafted wooden ducks.
Oh my God, really?
It's almost like this was like a workshop for like lots of different things. Is that actually polystyrene? No, see that's a mould, I reckon.
Yeah.
I reckon you'll find that's a mould. I actually reckon this here was for carving it.
Oh, it could be.
Because look at the shape of it.
Yeah.
Steamed bowl, tea jars, crackpot. What the hell is all this? I have no idea. See, this looks more like what I expected to find.
Yeah.
Like stably type things, your old bits of rope.
Absolutely.
There's chains and stuff in the corner. All these lovely pegs.
Hangman's rope at the top.
Where? Oh my
Like
God,
the
Jesus
business,
Christ, it fucking well is as well. That is a proper like hangman's rope, look at that.
Yeah.
Found a noose. This is getting way more interesting. We found surfboards, we found a really weird well, and like order sheets for jewellery and stuff.
What's behind door number one?
There's massive engines.
Shit. What the hell? Whoa.
What the? They are massive.
Turbocharged as well. What the hell? Jaguar V12.
Holy
What
shit.
the hell? Are you kidding
Right,
me?
this is a random thing to say, but you don't reckon this is a chop shop, do you?
I don't know. There's been abandoned.
Fuck no. I mean, it's even got like anodized connects on it as well.
These are proper, mate. These are serious engines.
That's such a random find. What's this one here? Is this a Jaguar as well? Is this the same?
Yeah, they're both identical engines. Would they have used those in tractors?
I don't know, maybe.
I've not got a clue.
Guys, if any of you know in the comments, please let us know what they would have used these for. Because I mean, it says Jaguar, but I don't know if they use these in like tractors or anything like that. But what a crazy find.
It makes me wonder whether these engines were stolen from someone.
That's what I said. Do you reckon these are a chop shop? That's what I meant. Like, do you reckon?
These are high-performance engines. The power that they must kick out.
Well, this is what I'm saying. The whole place is a bit strange. Like the other side, having like all random things, like
Doesn't make sense.
almost like they were selling stuff, like loads of different types of things.
You said the circles were the last thing you'd expect to see. These, I would never have expected to find here. I mean, these are the kind of things you see in a museum, like.
How old are these then?
I don't know.
Are these like newer engines or older engines?
They're old.
Old.
They've got external wastegates as well from the turbos. Absolutely incredible.
Ooh, my heart went on that then. Is that a metal? Is that a metal naffy cup there as well? Look.
That's the oil filter, that thing there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It's not. It's a cup.
Oh.
It's a cup.
Oh, it is.
It's a sailor on it. That sounds so fucking close. What is that? Oh, fucking hell. That sounds like a footstep over there. Jesus Christ. So jumpy now. That sounds really close, doesn't it? And it's just stopped as well. So guys, that is pretty much it for this explore. We're going to head off out. I'm going to keep this camera rolling in my head because there's been loads of police sirens and that, and this place is still giving me a weird vibe, so I don't want to like leave it just in case. But if you guys are just seeing the end of the video right now, nothing happened that is worth showing you. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and a comment down below. Go check out Colin's channel as well, it'll be in the description, and I'll see you again next time. See ya!